The 10 best tools to make YouTube and social network videos. Welcome to my channel. Crafting compelling videos for YouTube and social networks demands a combination of creativity and the right set of tools. The following 10 tools have earned recognition as top-notch resources for video creation, each offering unique features to enhance editing, visual effects, and overall production quality. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, these tools provide the versatility and capabilities needed to produce engaging and professional videos for online platforms. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Hootsuite. Hootsuite, while primarily recognized as a social media management tool, plays a crucial role in enhancing the YouTube and social network video creation process. With its robust scheduling capabilities, Hootsuite enables content creators to strategically plan and post videos across multiple platforms. This ensures a consistent and well-timed online presence, maximizing audience engagement. By streamlining social media workflows, Hootsuite allows users to focus on content creation, refining video quality, and optimizing engagement strategies. The tool's analytics features also provide valuable insights into video performance, empowering creators to tailor their content for optimal impact across various social networks, making it an essential asset for video producers. Number 9. InShot. InShot stands out as a top-tier mobile app, offering a streamlined and accessible solution for crafting captivating YouTube and social media videos. With its user-friendly interface, InShot provides a range of essential video editing features, allowing creators to effortlessly trim, cut, add music, and incorporate effects directly from their smartphones. This mobile flexibility is particularly advantageous for on-the-go content creation. InShot empowers users to enhance their video content swiftly, ensuring a polished and professional appearance. Its simplicity, combined with a diverse set of editing options, positions InShot as an invaluable tool for content creators seeking efficiency and quality in their social media and YouTube endeavors. Number 8. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve emerges as an unparalleled tool for elevating YouTube and social network videos with its advanced video editing and color correction capabilities. This professional-grade software offers a comprehensive suite of features, enabling creators to achieve cinematic quality in their content. With both free and paid versions available, it caters to a wide range of users. Its seamless integration with various formats, effects, and audio tools positions DaVinci Resolve as a go-to choice for video professionals and enthusiasts alike, seeking exceptional editing precision for impactful online video content. Number 7. Camtasia. Camtasia stands as a premier tool for crafting compelling YouTube and social media videos, seamlessly integrating screen recording and video editing capabilities. Ideal for tutorial content, this software empowers creators to capture and edit their screen activity with precision. Its intuitive interface facilitates easy navigation, while a plethora of editing features ensures polished final products. Camtasia's versatility extends to various platforms, making it invaluable for diverse content creation needs. With robust editing tools, special effects, and a user-friendly experience, Camtasia emerges as a go-to solution for those aiming to produce professional and engaging video content for YouTube and social networks. Number 6. Filmora. Filmora secures its position as a standout tool for YouTube and social media video creation, catering to both beginners and experienced content creators. Renowned for its user-friendly interface, Filmora simplifies the editing process with pre-built templates, effects, and an array of creative tools. This software strikes a balance between simplicity and advanced features, making it accessible for those new to video editing while offering enough depth for seasoned users. With the ability to add music, apply filters, and utilize various transitions, Filmora empowers creators to produce visually appealing and engaging content, solidifying its status as an excellent choice for crafting impactful videos. Number 5. Canva. Canva, primarily recognized as a design tool, emerges as a versatile asset for YouTube and social media video creation. Offering a user-friendly interface, Canva simplifies the process of crafting visually stunning graphics and video content. creators can seamlessly design eye-catching thumbnails, channel art, and social media graphics to accompany their videos. The drag-and-drop functionality and a vast library of templates, stock footage, and customizable elements make it accessible to users of all skill levels. Canva's integration of video editing features enhances its appeal, enabling content producers to create polished and cohesive visuals for a compelling online presence on YouTube and various social networks. Number 4. Adobe After Effects. Adobe After Effects stands as an indispensable tool for elevating YouTube and social media videos with its advanced motion graphics and visual effects capabilities. Tailored for professionals, it seamlessly integrates with Adobe Premiere Pro, offering a comprehensive post-production suite. After Effects enables creators to add captivating visual elements, animations, and special effects, enhancing the overall video quality. Its robust features empower users to bring creativity to the forefront, making it an ideal choice for those seeking to make visually striking and dynamic content. With its industry standard status, After Effects ensures a professional touch, establishing it as a key player in the realm of online video production. Number 3. iMovie. iMovie, renowned for its simplicity and accessibility, emerges as an excellent tool for crafting YouTube and social media videos with ease. Tailored for Mac users, iMovie's intuitive interface allows both beginners and experienced creators to edit videos effortlessly. With its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem, iMovie facilitates quick and efficient video creation and sharing. Whether editing on a desktop or mobile device, iMovie stands out as a user-friendly solution, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a straightforward yet powerful tool for impactful video content. Number 2. Final Cut Pro X. Final Cut Pro X reigns as a premier video editing tool for YouTube and social media content, especially favored by Mac users. Renowned for its professional-grade features and user-friendly interface, it offers a seamless editing experience. Final Cut Pro X empowers creators with advanced capabilities, including multicam editing, powerful color grading, and sophisticated audio post-production. With its integration into the Apple ecosystem and constant updates, Final Cut Pro X stands out as a top choice for producing high-quality, visually captivating videos for online platforms. Number 1. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro stands tall as an industry-leading video editing software, making it an optimal choice for YouTube and social media content creation. Packed with an extensive array of features, Premiere Pro caters to both professionals and beginners. Its intuitive interface facilitates seamless editing, offering precision in cutting, color grading, and audio enhancement. The software seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications, enhancing workflow efficiency. With its broad range of customizable effects, transitions, and support for various video formats, Premiere Pro provides the tools needed to produce polished, high-quality videos, solidifying its status as a go-to solution for content creators across diverse platforms. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.